Welcome to Geo and Nacha Adventures TV.
Oh, hi guys. Today I'm going to be doing a part 2 tutorial of a different song. Last time I did a song like this. If I don't remember this, it's going to be something like it. It is. And then I just kept going all over the place. But this time I'm not going to be doing it with tablet. I'm going to be doing a different song with my piano book. As you can see, there is this thing wiggling all over the place. So as you can see, walk, running, walk, running, walk, walk, long walk, walk, running, walk, walk, long walk. E, 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 D, and C, G, G. Okay, I'm just gonna first play this so it's like kind of easier. So look at the notes first. C, C. There's lots of C's here, the same thing here, and then there's something just like this here. It is. So first I'm going to play this one right here. That's the same thing I'm going to do here, but that's just way longer. I guess apparently we're going to do 4. After this one, I'm going to make another tutorial and another tutorial, and then we're finished in the same video, which is right now. So how you play this is I am going to be doing 3 E's. And then a D and a C, and then a G, and then do 1, 2, 3. The moment I push it down, and do another G, and then an F, and then another E, D, and C, G. 1, 2, G, F, E, F, G, F, that part, and this part is the same thing as this part. So let's just do it. Oh, see, I forgot something. There. Closer look. Now I'm going to give you guys a closer look. Look at all of this. As I'm giving you a sneak peek through this. Wait. And there's also a piano app called Piano Maestro that teaches me how to do this. like this video if you like it. Don't like this video if you don't like it. And hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell. And we'll see you in part 3. See ya. Please like and subscribe.